Myself, Dr. Srinivas Bachu. The last session we discussed about moment generating function, properties of moment generating function detailedly, and we written the formula for the nth moment about origin from the MGF function. Right, now today we will discuss the characteristic function and the properties of the characteristic function, then followed by the tutorials on the MGF and characteristic function we will see. This also looks like one of the moment generating function. It generates the moments. Now this is a characteristic function. The characteristic function of the random variable x is obtained by replacing t equal to j omega. By replacing t equal to j omega. See here, t equal to j omega into MGF function. That is phi suffix x of omega. This notation is called characteristic function. So characteristic function of phi suffix x of omega equal to, I am replacing t equal to j omega into MGF function. That is phi x of omega equal to mx of t at t equal to j omega. This is called the characteristic function. Now what is my MGF? MGF is the expectation of e power tx. Now replace this t by j omega. I will get the characteristic function, that is phi x of omega equal to expectation of e power j omega x, where omega is a real number, range from minus infinity to infinity. Omega is a real number, range from minus infinity to infinity. Clear? Are able to follow? So this is my characteristic function is also be the expectation of e power j omega x. The characteristic function for the continuous random variables and discrete random variables case. Now I'll write this formula for the continuous and discrete cases. Why? I mean, this is expectation. Same expectation we are writing for the continuous cases. Integral limits minus infinity to infinity x into density function. But this is not x. What is this? E power j omega x. You note down here, e power j omega x density function into dx. This is for the continuous random variables. If the random variable is discrete, the countable number of assignments are there, then phi x of omega equal to expectation of e power j omega x equal to j omega x, e power j omega x. I will write here summation I e power j omega x suffix I. Assignments are x1 to xn, the countable number. Corresponding probability p of capital X equal to small xi or xi you can mention. So this is for discrete random variables, where fx of x is the probability density function and p of x is the probability of x. Okay na? P of x is the probability of x. P of x is the probability of x. Now you see, this is my characteristic function of a random variable x is phi x of omega equal to expectation of e power j omega, so replacing t equal to j omega. This way, same we can estimate the moments about origin, like first moment, second moment, mean square value, third moment about origin, fourth moment like expectation of x power 1, x power 2, expectation of x power 3, expectation of x power 4, so on, expectation of x power n. Consider d by d omega of phi x of omega. Now differentiate the function. Which function? Characteristic function with respect to omega. Okay now, differentiate the characteristic function with respect to omega at omega equal to 0. Remember these two things. Now previously the MGF function case, t variable is there, differentiating t with respect to t at t equal to 0. Now here differentiating with respect to omega and omega equal to 0. So we'll get the moments about origins. Now one time differentiation, I will get the first mean value. So d by omega of this one, this is characteristic function. I written here expectation of e power j omega x. Now expand this one, expectation of e power j omega x, I written directly here. First I will write here expectation of e power j omega x is equals to 1 plus this expansion e power x series form. So expectation of e power j omega x power 1 by 1 factorial plus j omega x whole square by 2 factorial plus so on. Now expectation applicable to only the random variation. Expectation of constant is always constant. I written directly answer. Expectation of j omega x, this j omega x by 1 factorial, j omega by 1 factorial is constant out of the expectation operator. Expectation of x, like here j omega x whole square, j omega x whole square, j omega whole square into j omega whole square into expectation of x square. The square is there here. This j omega whole square expectation of x square by 2 factorial plus so on. Suppose third term is there here, j omega x whole cube by 3 factorial plus so on. J omega whole cube by 3 factorial. Now get to the third term here, j omega whole cube by 3 factorial into expectation of x power 3, x cube is there here. So third moment about origin, like fourth moment, like fifth moment, like so on will get the things. Now this is here expectation of here j omega whole square, here expectation of x square by 2 factorial. At omega equal to 0, simplify the second term. Now differentiate this one. Differentiation with respect to omega, constant is 0, d by d omega of omega is 1 into this constant, arbitrary constant j into e power e of x by 1 factorial. And here it's a d by d omega of j omega whole square, j square into 2 omega into this one into this one. The third term onwards all terms are involved with the omega variable. So by substituting omega equal to 0, it vanishes. The remaining term only this second term present, that is a j into e power x. So this is called d by d omega of characteristic function at omega equal to 0. I want only the expectation of x, implies I will get the expectation of x. How will I get expectation of x? Now this you remove, implies expectation of x equal to 1 by j to the power of 1 into d by d omega of characteristic function at omega equal to 0 is called first moment about origin, is also called the mean value of the random variable, average value of the random variable, mean value of the random variable, average value of the random variable. Next, in general, the nth moment about origin of the random variable can be obtained as nth moment, like this is first moment. Like nth moment you want expectation of x power n 1 by j power 1, 1 by j to the power of n, d power n by d omega to the power of 1, phi of x of omega into omega equal to 0. This is my nth moment about origin can be obtained from the characteristic function. This is my, now we will see the properties. The properties of the characteristic function. The characteristic function has the maximum value is 1 at omega equal to 0, is at omega equal to 0 as the maximum value at 1. We know that the characteristic function, this is my characteristic function. For continuous case or discrete case you can take, it is continuous case I mentioned. Integral limits e power j omega x fx of x into density function. Maximum value mod of this, you can take the mod value here, I will mention here mod. At omega equal to 0, mod of this one, integral limits omega equal to 0 means e power j 0 x into density function, e power 0 it's 1, right. Now it's integral this one, area enclosed by the any density function. This is PDF second property. Area enclosed by the any density function within the interval equal to unity. So its value is 1. So this is my maximum value at omega equal to 0. The characteristic function has the maximum value at omega equal to 0. If ax plus b, if y equal to ax plus b, if y equal to ax plus b, then the characteristic function of the random variable y is phi omega of omega equal to e power j omega b into phi x of a omega, where a and b are the constants, arbitrary constants. Now we'll see. We know that the characteristic function, this is my characteristic function, phi x of omega equal to expectation of e power j omega x. Clear? Are you able to follow? Similarly, at y equal to ax plus b, phi y of omega equal to expectation of e power j omega y. Just substitute here y value in this, it's ax plus b. Expand this e power j omega ax, e power j omega b. E power j omega b doesn't involve the random variables. There is no random variation here. Expectation applicable to only the random variation. This is out of the expectation operator, it's a constant. E power j omega b into expectation of e power j omega x. This e power j omega x, e power j omega ax. So we will write here expectation of e to the power of j omega a of x. Like we will write here expectation of j omega, this is not omega, it's a omega. So e power j omega b into phi x of, it is called characteristic function of the random variable x, phi x of here a omega or omega a omega, hence proved. So this is one of the property while taking the a and b are arbitrary constants. Now if y equal to x plus a by b, y equal to x plus a by b, then the characteristic function of the random variable y is e power j omega a by b into phi x of omega by b, where a, b and omega are the random, omega are the constants. This is for continuous cases, replace x by y. Now y value substitute, expand this e power j omega a by b is a constant, e power j omega x by b. So we are writing here e power j omega by b, j of omega by b into x. So this is mgf of the x of e power omega by b. It is a proved, hence proved. Clear? Are able to follow? The previous one, my second one, I mentioned here it's capital Y equal to ax plus b. This you can add it. And here also it's if y equal to ax plus x plus a by b. Right? Clear? So these are the properties of the moment generating function and now characteristic function we saw. So in this way we can estimate the moments of a random variable about origin can be obtained. Thank you one and all.